under the hood of the Audi E-Tron. Let's take a look. What do we got? We got your standard maintenance port, which is also known as the windshield washer fluid. Nice little screen in there to prevent debris. Looks like we got a fuse box. Some sort of junction box here. And this would look like either a main charger or a DC to DC converter of some sort. Now if we look here, there is actually a coolant flow into it, although it's not too warm. The reason I'd say this might be the charger, it's humming a little bit right now. The car is pretty much off, other than the headlights, but the size cables going into it, I could be correct, I could be wrong. Nice big old grounding wire there. Could be a DC to DC converter. The car is plugged into a 120 volt outlet at the moment. Let's see what we got there. Something Romania. If we look over here, something about the frame, that's aluminum there. It says Czech Republic. Strut tower. Does have air suspension. Some sort of little control module. Right here we have the cooling system. You got the service ports for R134A, made in Czech Republic. I'm not sure what this control module here is for, but not too much to see. But at the same time, oh, not one R134. According to the sticker, it's R1234YF. I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with that one. Now, well, it is easily, there's stuff under the hood. It is quite easy to access some things, although pretty much there's nothing that's owner or user serviceable, except for windshield washer fluid. They could cover it up in the future, or they could just have it off for the display right now, being a demo car. But nothing's really closed up except for quote-unquote Frunk, which is right here. A little bit on the small side. They got a TT30 adapter in here, or a 6-30P. Oh, look at that. I've got air compressor, some sort of canister. That's kind of curious. Oh, that's probably a tire foam. Yep. They got a canister of tire foam and a lug wrench, no jack. Although it looks like there might be a slot for one, so you might get a jack, considering this car does have a spare tire. Hood release. There's a double latch on the hood release, on the hood. So not too much under the hood that you can really get at. Although that frunk is a little on the small side, I definitely am not fitting a stroller under that one. But it's clean. Looks like it's weather tight sealed, so you don't have to worry about water seeping in under the hood in a torrential downpour or car wash or snow and slush.